Okay, Dr. Deuk Laser here with one of my patients who actually just finished his surgery, and he's graciously agreed to share his experience with you. How long have you had your back and leg pain?
Going about 3 years now.
3 years. And when did it start?
Probably about 3 years ago when I had the accident.
An accident, okay. And have you tried any conservative treatments for it, like therapy or exercise?
We did therapy, we did pain management, we did all that. And then I kind of just learned to deal with the pain for a while, but it didn't seem like it was getting any better. And this seemed like a good option. I did a lot of research, and he's the best neurosurgeon in the state. So.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you. So he had, if you don't mind me saying, a torn disc, an annular tear, which was then resulted in herniation. And we went in with the laser just an hour ago, and we repaired that tear, and the surgery went perfect, so I expect the results to be good. Do you have that leg pain anymore?
I do not, amazingly.
So it's gone?
It's gone.
Awesome. And the back pain that you had before surgery, can you tell? I know you're a little sore.
It's a little hard to tell, but I think it's just being sore.
Awesome. All right, very good. Well, are you happy you did the Deuk Laser Disc Repair?
I am very happy.
Where are you going now?
I'm going to get some food and go home and rest.
You're supposed to say Disneyland.
Oh.
Then they give you $1 million check, right? The old days. All right, very good. Well, congratulations. Take it easy, and we'll see you tomorrow.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.